Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program GMC Sierra garage door opener full guide. Begin by locating the Learn or Program button on the opener head unit and opening the vehicle to access the visor or rearview remote module. Press and release the head unit button, then within 30 seconds press and hold the vehicle button until the opener light blinks or cycles. Test the button and repeat if necessary until the door responds reliably. This step-by-step section walks you through a safe and reliable programming routine in plain language. After pressing the Learn button, you typically have about 30 seconds to complete the vehicle step, so move deliberately but calmly. Hold the vehicle button until you see the opener light flash or hear a click, which confirms pairing. Always test the door twice to ensure consistent response and to avoid accidental operation later. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful content for drivers and die-ers. On another note, I recommend a short, life-changing read about money. Dollar Banknote: The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs nicely with saving time and avoiding costly service calls. Look in the description for the link and special deals, then stick around for the final tips. Now let's get back to the video. If programming fails, try simple fixes before panicking. Swap batteries, move the vehicle closer, and clear interference from other remotes. Confirm whether your opener uses rolling codes or fixed codes, since procedures differ and some vehicles require a separate compatibility step. If previous codes prevent pairing, perform a factory reset on the opener head unit and restart the programming sequence. These checks usually resolve most common issues quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.